Don't you dare miss. Bringing the fire, bringing the heat. Get up on your feet, feel the beat. Welcome to the Christy McGrady Show. Yeah. Welcome to the Christy McGrady Show. Let's go.
I don't know, but this is cool. You feeling cramped?
It ain't too bad. It's not as packed as I thought it would be.
Right here, we're waiting on the left side of the airstrip to kind of clear out. We got an airplane taking off, and then right in front of us, you can see the shadow. Yeah, there's the plane. I think this is Stono River, technically. I'm going off of memory here, but anyways, this video you're not really going to hear a whole bunch of chatter here in the helicopter because, well, my microphone just ain't that good, and two, I'm filming all of this off of my cell phone, so yeah, you just, the chatter's just not there, but we were chatting a good bit, but anyway, we had an absolute awesome time flying in this, and our pilot was amazing. She did her flight there, she knew what she was doing, like, she knew her stuff, so yeah, 5 out of 5 stars.
that was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, being able to see everything.
Yeah.
Saw, what was it? I saw 2 dolphins.
Yeah.
We think they had a surfing competition going on at the beach.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, babe. You're getting better with the camera.
That's right.
You used to be so like, oh.
That's right.
No, what to say? As a country boy.
I can still get inspired to be that way.
Double chin.
But yeah, she was a really good pilot.
She was. Yeah. Had fun.
Me too.
Now on to the next one. Planes, trains, and automobiles.
That's right.
I've aged so quickly. This is not a good Easter look.
No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
It's a little better.
Better.
Yeah, I gotta straighten out my nose. Kissing ass too hard.
Brown nose.
Y'all already know what time it is. It's the Christy McGrady Show. Let's go. Another classic in the books. Big shouts to my girl Christy, holding it down. Shouts to the whole crew, making the magic happen. Yeah. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe. You know the drill. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a thing. We coming back next week, bigger and fast. We out of here. Peace. The Christy McGrady Show.